What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete recurring meetings in Microsoft Outlook. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in Microsoft Outlook, or you can type in outlook.live.com. In both the cases, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Outlook. From there, if you are new to Outlook, simply click on sign up and then sign up with your mail, password, and other credentials to create your new Outlook account. But if you already have an Outlook account, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in to your Outlook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you can see the option of calendar. Click on this calendar option and then the new window of calendar will appear wherein you can see all your recent meetings and the recurring meetings. And when you click on one of the recurring meetings that you want to delete, a new pop-up will appear here. As you can see, I have created a recurring meeting here. A recurring meeting usually appears with this arrow icon. And when you click on this meeting, uh, a pop-up will appear wherein you can see the delete option. So click on this delete and then a drop-down list will appear to confirm you that you want to delete this event, this, and the following all events and all events in the series. I'll just simply click on this event because I want to delete only this event. And after clicking, a new confirmation delete pop will appear. Click on delete, and then as you can see, the recurring meeting has been deleted from my Outlook mail. So this is how you can delete recurring meetings in Microsoft Outlook. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.